Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord license plate light. First, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver and a new 168 or 194 bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts or movement. You'll find the two license plate light housings located on the underside of your trunk lid, usually above the license plate itself. Now let's access the bulb. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the clear or frosted plastic light housing cover from the trunk lid. Be careful not to scratch the paint or break the plastic clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the bulb socket. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new 168 or 194 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. It should slide in easily and sit snugly. Next, reinsert the bulb socket back into the light housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it locks securely. Finally, snap the plastic light housing cover back into its original position on the trunk lid. Before you finish up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to verify that the new license plate light is working correctly. If both lights were out, simply repeat these steps for the other side. This simple maintenance helps keep your vehicle compliant and safe. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.